Millions of monarch butterflies undertake an impossible 3,000-mile journey across North America seasonally. This epic migration follows an invisible map, a perfect biological compass guiding their delicate wings. Yet, this astounding feat is just one whisper of the profound, hidden patterns shaping all life. Unseen mathematical forces orchestrate the very fabric of our world, from a tiny seashell to a vast galaxy. Millions of monarch butterflies undertake an impossible 3,000-mile journey across North America seasonally. This epic migration follows an invisible map, a perfect biological compass guiding their delicate wings. Yet this astounding feat is just one whisper of the profound, hidden patterns shaping all life. Unseen mathematical forces orchestrate the very fabric of our world, from a tiny seashell to a vast galaxy. Nature constantly reveals fundamental designs, intricate blueprints repeating across diverse scales. These patterns are not random occurrences. They represent deep-seated principles of efficiency and survival. Consider the mesmerizing spiral of a sunflower, its seeds arranged in perfect mathematical precision. This arrangement maximizes sunlight exposure for every seed, optimizing growth and resource capture. From the branching of trees to the meandering of rivers, similar forms emerge everywhere you look. Scientists discovered these recurring structures offer incredible insights into Earth's complex systems. Understanding these inherent designs helps us decipher how life itself adapts and flourishes over time. These fundamental patterns influence everything, from a single cell's function to an entire ecosystem's health. They dictate the flow of energy, the distribution of species, and even the resilience of natural habitats. Ignoring these fundamental blueprints leads to profound consequences for both wildlife and human societies. Unraveling their secrets provides a critical lens for preserving our planet's intricate biodiversity and balance. These universal rules govern existence, creating the stunning beauty and functional elegance surrounding us. They are the silent architects behind every breathtaking landscape and every creature's unique survival strategy. One striking example is the Fibonacci sequence, a series where each number is the sum of the previous two. This numerical progression appears in countless natural forms, dictating growth and structural elegance. Pine cones display this sequence in their spiral arrangements, as do the petals of many blooming flowers.
The number of spirals in a sunflower head often corresponds to consecutive Fibonacci numbers like 34 and 55.
This mathematical order ensures maximum packing density possible. Yet, this incredible efficiency is not the only amazing pattern influencing life's fundamental designs. Fractals, complex geometric shapes repeating infinitely at different scales, also dominate natural landscapes. Imagine a coastline seen from orbit, then zooming closer. The intricate jaggedness remains strikingly similar. Tree branches, lightning bolts, and even human lungs exhibit this self-similar, repeating fractal geometry. This branching pattern maximizes surface area, crucial for efficient nutrient absorption or oxygen exchange. For instance, a lung's fractal structure allows vast gas exchange within a remarkably compact volume. But wait until you hear what occurs when these fundamental patterns are unexpectedly disrupted. Spiral patterns, like those in galaxies or a chambered nautilus shell, follow logarithmic growth principles. This growth allows the nautilus to expand its shell while maintaining its perfect proportions throughout its life. Predator-prey cycles, like those of lynx and snowshoe hares, also demonstrate a predictable, oscillating rhythm. Hare populations surge, providing abundant food for lynx, whose numbers then subsequently increase dramatically. This abundance eventually leads to overhunting, causing hare populations to plummet, followed by the lynx. It's a delicate dance of life and death, constantly rebalancing itself through these cyclical fluctuations. However, human influence possesses the profound capacity to alter these ancient, predictable rhythms significantly. Consider the intricate tessellations of honeycombs, perfect hexagonal cells built by diligent bees. This hexagonal shape minimizes wax usage while maximizing storage capacity, an engineering marvel of nature. Even the spots on a leopard or the stripes on a zebra follow mathematical reaction-diffusion patterns. These patterns, called Turing patterns, emerge from chemical interactions during an animal's embryonic development.
They provide camouflage, species recognition, and even thermoregulation in various animals across diverse environments.
But there's a vital, often overlooked, aspect to these patterns that truly impacts our future. Environment scientists discovered that disruption to these fundamental patterns often signals broader environmental issues. For example, changes in migratory routes directly indicate shifts in climate or habitat availability for species. Declining populations of animals like salmon, whose life cycles are patterned, reveal ecosystem stressors. The health of entire biomass can be assessed by observing the integrity of their inherent structural designs. When the fractal branching of river deltas becomes fragmented, it suggests significant hydrological imbalance. What happens next, however, could genuinely redefine how humanity interacts with the natural world entirely. Expert analysis suggests these patterns are deeply intertwined, forming a complex, self-regulating planetary network. Disregarding these foundational blueprints leads to critical ecological instability and biodiversity loss globally. Altering river flow, for instance, destroys the fractal patterns essential for wetland filtration and fish spawning. This loss directly impacts human water security, agricultural productivity, and natural disaster resilience. Disrupting predator-prey cycles through habitat destruction or overhunting cascades through entire food webs. Imagine an explosion of deer populations without natural predators, decimating forest undergrowth and plant diversity. Such imbalances then affect countless other species relying on specific plants for shelter and sustenance. The disappearance of crucial migratory corridors leaves animals stranded, unable to reach vital breeding grounds. This directly threatens species survival, leading to irreversible declines and potential extinction events. Preserving the integrity of these natural patterns is not merely an aesthetic choice. It is crucial for survival. It ensures the continued functioning of ecosystems that provide clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil. Scientists emphasize that recognizing these patterns helps design more sustainable human infrastructure projects. Emulating nature's efficiency in urban planning, for example, can create resilient, harmonious living spaces. This understanding offers powerful tools for conservationists working to restore degraded landscapes and habitats. It allows them to proactively identify vulnerable areas and implement targeted strategies for ecological repair. The interconnectedness revealed by these patterns underscores humanity's profound responsibility to the planet. Our future, fundamentally, depends on recognizing and respecting the ancient, elegant designs of the natural world. They are not merely beautiful. They are the very operating system of life, constantly striving for balance. Embracing this deep wisdom allows us to coexist with nature, ensuring a thriving legacy for generations ahead. Ultimately, natural patterns are the language of life, offering profound lessons on resilience, efficiency, and interconnectedness. If you found this glimpse into nature's blueprints fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Hit the like button and let us know in the comments which natural pattern amazes you most.